when whole of Goa says a big no to this 3-linear project? Why CEC been invited and entertained for mitigation measures? N number of people of Goa have written to CEC as well as to all respective authorities and to the central and the state government. Why not even a single statement is out till today regarding the facts that has been placed before CEC, Forest, Wildlife, Central and State Government?
In August 2020, Goan Kolsunaka sent a detailed letter, this is the letter, to CEC with 23 annexures regarding the project and what are our concerns. We never received a reply, but we know they got it because he sent it by speed post. Then in January, when we knew they were coming, we again repeated and requested, can we meet with them? And we sent a second letter, but there's been no response. And now they've come to Goa, and we hear they've met only with certain NGOs, not NGOs, they met with government officials, they've met with authorities and the project proposals. None of the people have been met. Even groups from Karnataka who have been opposing the projects from Karnataka, the groups who have stopped NH4A in Karnataka and have gone up to Supreme Court, even they haven't been met. So we are very, very disappointed, and we frankly cannot understand what role the CEC is playing.
Line, Goa Chief Minister has come on record saying that, my name is Emil Carvalho, has come on record saying that Goa needs a transmission line, otherwise within 2 years Goa will run out of power and he will not be held responsible. He has not given anything to substantiate this statement. In fact, all information available in government documentation is contrary to what he says. The Goa Tanmar project, when it was first planned in 2015, assumed that Goa will require 934 megawatts in 1819. Goa is in 2021 and it has used only 67% of that power. Goa has surplus for power. The Power Minister, Mr. Nilesh Cabral, has come on record last month saying Goa will get all its power, 650 megawatts, via renewable energy. Karnataka Forest Department has rejected the Goa Tanmar project. All documentation proves that this project is not required by the Goans, and it's going to cost money.
People of Goa have been protesting from 2016. Out of the 189 panchayats, more than 100 had passed a resolution had resolved not to allow coal transportation. 3,000 objections have been sent against land acquisition, but the government is just turning a blind eye to all these. Are the people of Goa so foolish to listen to the government? We want to tell the government that the people of Goa are not going to be silent anymore, and we are going to do the best that we can to stop these projects. The future generation is at risk. We are already facing a climate crisis. So the government should pay attention. They are not involving the people at all. They are silently working on the projects, and everything is being, a fake picture has been given.
That the government has been proposed, and how detrimental is going to be for the environment. The beginning of it is from the Portress, and we know it's all for Vedanta and the big corporates like Vedanta, Jindal and Adani. And this four-lane project is only for transportation of coal, beginning from Murmuga Portress right to Karnataka and Maharashtra, the steel plants.
आनी 3 दीस ताका कमी आसात हे स्टडी करपाक, आनीक तांकां टायम दिवंक जाय आसलो. जे NGOज आसा जावं यूथ आसा तांचे कडेन उलोवंक सोदताले, पूण तांकां संदी दिली ना. युथाक जावं आमचे गोंयांत कोर्सनाका वयरूय NGO आसा तांकांय टायम दिलो ना तांचे लागीं उलोवपाक. कारण हें उलयलें जाल्यार आनी आमचे तर्फेन आमी तांकां दुसरे तरेन समजयतले आसले. ते येवन पळयतात आनी ते खंय पळयतात आमकां कांयच खबर ना. शॉर्टकट पळयतात काय ह्युमन पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू पळयतात, एनिमल पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू पळयतात. आमकां जनवरां, फ्लोरा, फॉना, ह्युमन आमी सगळीं वी हॅव टू को एक्झिस्ट टुगेदर.
जे डबल ट्रॅकिंगचो जो प्रोजेक्ट सरकार पुश करूंक सोदता हो गव्हर्मेंट सगळे पॉलिसीजाचे विरुद्ध आसा आनी फक्त कोळश्या लागून आसा. हें आमी सगळें सिद्ध केलां. डॉक्युमेंट्स परत सरकारा कडेन दिल्या कित्याक जी एक सिंगल ट्रॅक आसा ताजेर 15 जी रेल्वे हे ट्रेन्स ज्यो वतात तातूंतले 10 ते 11 कोळसो घेवन वतात आनी आमचे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटची पॉलिसी क्लियर आसा. पार्लिमेंटरी स्टँडींग कमिटीन MPTक सांगलां की MPT शूड रिअलायन इटसेल्फ टुवर्ड्स क्रूज टुरिजम. कोळसो बंद करूंक जाय म्हूण गव्हर्मेंटची पॉलिसी आसा. दुसरी पॉलिसी आसा की आमी कोळसो लासोवपाक कमी करूंक जाय. आमी युनायटेड नेशन्सांनी सबंद जगाक बरोवन दिलां की आमी कोळसो 40% कमी करतले. हे सगळे पॉलिसीजाचे विरुद्ध हे जे डबल ट्रॅकिंग जे सरकार करूंक सोदता हे पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट आनी गोंयचे सामके विरुद्ध आसा.